getting up and grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and welcome if you are new. It's your girl Shayla, and I'm sure you guys can tell by the title what this video is all about. But before we get into that, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Yes, that does mean turn that subscribe button from red to gray. Go ahead, pause what you're doing right now. Just pause it. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. Show your girl some love. You know I need it. And don't be scared to comment, because I will get back to you in that comment section. So today I will be achieving this nice, okay, pretty, I love it, y'all, style for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this, be sure to stay tuned, and I will show you how I achieve this nice half up, half down style with a little bit of spaz. Now I am going to be freestyling this hairstyle, so you know, bear with me here, but it is going to be pretty much like a half up, half down look. I'm just going to mainly be styling the front. For this hairstyle today, I will be using bobby pins, ponytail holders, and then I'll be using my Avocado Naturals Peppermint Tea Mist. Love this stuff, guys. And some rose water. Now, I am actually low on both of those, so that's why I'm going to be using both of them. But right now, I am going to section my hair off. I do have a mirror to the left of me, so if you guys see me look that way, baby, I am trying to help my hair. All right, so let's get it started. First, I'm going to section off the back for this half up, half down. So I am literally just gonna take my fingers, nothing perfect. Take my fingers and just find some space. All right. That feels like it's not too bad. I'm not one that really cares about perfection, so you know, you're gonna get what you get. So I'm going to actually turn to the mirror and section off the top. All right, so now that that part is sectioned off, I am going to put the rest of the hair in a ponytail. And like I said, guys, I am freestyling this, so let's see what we come up with. Alright, y'all, so I put the bobby pin there to just like hold it until I get closer to the end. Alright guys, that one was just a little bit harder to do. We are going to take this and just roll. I'm not twisting, I'm not braiding, I'm literally just rolling. Like if you guys know about the old school twist, then that is basically what I am doing. And I'm going to take that bobby pin that I was using and connect both of these together. Voila. All right, so I'm gonna do All right, guys, so this is what we are looking like so far. Now, if my retie was a little fresher, then of course the parts will be more defined, but baby, I'm not worried about all that. This is just something like you could twist, you could braid, just something to spicing up the style. So now that I have all the clips in there, I am going to take down the middle part, and this is where I come in with my rose water and what is it, peppermint tea moisture mist from Avocado. I am just going to spray, focusing on both my scalp and my locks. Feels so good, y'all. Then I'm gonna spray the front as well. Yeah, it always feels so good. So now that I have all that, I am going to start grabbing the hair up into a ponytail. And to make sure the front don't come down, I am going to now start pulling the bobby pins out. So now that I pulled the bobby pins out, then I'll definitely go in there and get it how I like it. Make sure I have all the hair up. I am going to secure that ponytail. I'm only going to wrap it around once. And then what I always like to do, y'all, is on the ends, I just pull down a little more so it's not causing too much tension and pulling. So this is what we're looking like at the top. Then I'm going to pull the back out. And I am going to spray the back as well, give it some moisture. So when I'm raking my hands through, literally all I'm doing is just trying to move the product throughout, just to make sure I coat all strands of my locks. Then I'm going to fluff my ponytail and get it how I want it. I know it's hard to see my parts, but I'm not one that like really care about seeing parts. Alright guys, I'm back with the final look. I actually really like this hairstyle, and as you guys can see, it did not take long at all. It's just really hard trying to get the middle to stay how I like it, but I did add some accessories just to get a little pop, a little flair. So I am going to do a 360 for you guys now. I hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I do. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoy this style as much as I do. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. Be sure to turn that subscribe button from red to gray, baby. If you want to see more styles like this, please leave down in the comment box down below, and I will do more styles for you guys. But this is really nice, and the good thing about this style is you can literally wear this style whether you have long locks, medium locks, short locks, traditional locks, sister locks, micro locks, even with your natural hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to check you guys in the next one.
Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like